It's green. It's Parkside. It's the PGSA 14 A1. It has a double trigger. It's 4-volt USB-C type rechargeable. It has a rubber hand grip with a safety sensor inside the hand grip. What diameter of branches can you cut with this pruner?
Hello my viewers, hello YouTube, and welcome to another video. So I bought a new offer, and that's the Parkside 4-volt cordless secateurs, or pruning shears, or cutter, electrical cutter. It depends on what you call it. So it's 4 volts. You can charge it with the USB cable that's included in the package. It also comes with a protection cap and this wrench tool for maintenance. No load runtime, 25 minutes. Maximum number of cuts per battery charge, 500. Cutting capacity, maximum 14 millimeters. So we're going to give that a full test. I'm going to keep it as short as possible. I just want to see how good it works. And also, if you want the 20 volt, you can also see the video on my channel from the 20 volt pruning shears. But now we're going to test this one on some branches. The manual, you can download it online in a PDF file, and I'm sure there's a language in there that you will understand. Let's see what's this. That's the charging cable, USB-C type. That's perfect. And a very small wrench. So here we have this protection cap on the blades. Very nice. The on and off button, as you can see, it's not fully charged, but that's what we're gonna do now before we go outside for the test. Has 2 triggers, and you have to activate them both to move the blades. And if you let go earlier, it goes back in the top position. Hand grip, rubber hand finish, as all Parkside products. And on the back we have this USB-C charging point. So I'm going to charge it now, and then we take it outside for the test. Here we have this sticker on the back side with the model number, the production date, 4000 milliamp hours. So for the test I do have a lot of branches here. We're gonna cut some thinner ones, some thicker ones. So this machine has 3 safety features. It has the protection cap. You fit on the blades. It has a double trigger, so you have to push them both before the machine will work. Inside the hand grip, which I'm going to show you in a minute, is a sensor. If your hand is not touching the hand grip, it won't work. Let me show you how the sensor works. I can push them both and it won't work. But when I'm touching the hand grip, so here, somewhere here, is the sensor. I think it's here. I think it's somewhere here. Somewhere here. I have to find out where it is, but somewhere in the hand grip there is a sensor. You see, I push it like this, it won't work. I lay my hand on it, then it works. I think it's here somewhere. I don't know. Just looking at what the sizes of these branches are. This is about 9 millimeters. 7 millimeters.
6. The big one, 1.7 centimeters. And the other one, 1.5. So up to 1.9 centimeters, 1.8 centimeters. Let's start with 6 millimeters. Has no problems with 6 millimeters. 7, 8 millimeters. No problem with that. Trying to get this one. This is about 1 centimeter. And immediately I feel it has to work harder. This one starts around 1.1, 1.2. 1.2 centimeters, a little bit closer. And here it's getting around 1 centimeter. It's a very clear cut, as you can see. I think this is 1.5, 1.5, 1.4, 1.4, 1.5. Barely fits in the blades. It doesn't like it. Here it's 1.4. I think now we are around 1.3. This is a 1.7. It won't take it. So that was the outdoor test. I hope you liked this test. I hope I gave you a good look at this product. I think it's a very nice machine. It's very nice to hold it in your hand. It's very nice to work with. It's not that heavy. I do like the safety features. The protection cap. Always use it, because if you storing it somewhere and you picking it up and you will touch the blade, you immediately will cut your finger. I do like the double trigger and the sensor. It always works fine. It's always responds. It's always very responsive. I didn't do a battery duration test, but it's easy to charge with the USB-C. The on and off button, as you could see after using it, it's still full. And I did a lot of cutting. And as you could see, it's a new model 2024. In the past, I also did test the 20-volt pruning shears from Parkside. And I can say those are much stronger. But for small work, this is very handy. You can do your roses, your apple tree, or whatever. Up to 1.4 centimeters, it will cut proper. 1.5, it doesn't work anymore. It cuts very nice. Up to 1.4 centimeters. If you like this test, if you like this video, or if you like this product, please give this video a like. I hope I gave you a good view at this product, a good look at this product. If you want to see future videos, subscribe to my channel. And if you have any thoughts, ideas, or comments, please leave them below this video and I will always reply. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope to see you in next video.